Sarva Lakshmi, she's the original source. She's the Adi Lakshmi or the Adi Shri, the original source of all the goddesses of fortune. They're all expanded from Radharani, from the gopis. Gopis expand as Kaya Vyuha, directly from her body. And from them expand the queens of Dwarka, Dwarka Mahishis, and then the Vaikuntha, queens of Vaikuntha, the Lakshmis. But originally they all come from Radharani, Sarva Lakshmi. Or Sarva Lakshmi means, Sarva means all, and Lakshmi means fortune, opulences, bhaga. He says that she fully represents the 6 opulences of Krishna. Why does Krishna have beauty? Because of the presence of Radharani. He brings out her beauty. So he is so beautiful. That's one of his Sadeshvarya. What is it? Sadeshvarya Shuta Shibir. Aishvaryasya Samagrasya. Viryasya Yashashatriya. Krishna has 6 opulences. But why does he have 6 opulences? Or 6 powerful attracting forces? Because of the presence of Radharani. Without Radharani, Krishna becomes ugly. He has no beauty. His beauty comes because he looks at her and becomes beautiful. She gives him his beauty. And then his wealth. What is his wealth? What is real wealth? Ramananda Roy, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked him, he said, who is a wealthy man? Who is a Dani? Who is a Danpati? Who is a Crorepati? Birla? Tata? Ramananda Roy said, one who has Radha Krishna Prema. He is a wealthy man. One who has pure love for Radha and Krishna. So Krishna is the wealthiest man. He's the wealthiest Purusha. That is one of his Aishvaryas, Sadaishvarya Purna. But where does he get his wealth from? And what is his wealth? His wealth is Prema, which he gets from Krishna Prema Mai. He gets from Radharani. Radharani gives him his Prema, gives him his wealth. And then beauty and fame. Why is he famous? Why is Krishna famous? Because he's connected with Radharani. Is Radha Govinda, Radha Madhav. So he gets his fame from his association with Radharani. She is giving him. So therefore she's Sarva Lakshmi. She's the source of all the opulences. She represents the 6 opulences.